Well, the one thing we got going for us is Friday morning. Beautiful start to the day here in Chicago. I wish I had more for you market-wise. We just can't get this market moving over the past couple weeks. I know it's like watching paint dry right now. But we have some inflation data out this morning. We've got the futures up, stock market futures up. Dow Jones up by over 140 points right now. S&P's up 19 plus. So we're seeing some strength in the markets. Maybe we get a bit of a move to finish out the week. Oil's been a big mover. We've got oil up nearly 2% this morning, just shy of $70 a barrel. So a strong move in oil. Currencies seeing a little bit of dollar weakness, relatively flat. Not much going on in gold. Yesterday we had the ECB meeting. It was a non-event. Nothing out of that. We just can't catch a break lately. So let's finish the week strong. You never know what today may bring. Talking vaccinations, President Biden talking about further restrictions with regards to vaccinations and trying to get more people vaccinated. Will that have any impact on the market? Don't know. But we got to be ready nonetheless. All right, Friday, let's finish today strong. Everybody have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday morning.